can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices. Rectangle.
Teacher, say something.
A rectangle has
Teacher,
four.
say something.
Yes, Manahil, I'm with you now.
Teacher, say something.
Yes, yes. Can you hear me? Your voice is a little bit distracted, a very disturbed, but still,
Teacher, say something.
can you hear my voice, Manahil?
Teacher, I draw a heart. I draw a heart.
Manahil, can you hear my voice? Manahil, I was watching your face, but now I cannot watch your face. Your video is off. Everyone, we are watching a video of a 2D and 3D shapes. There's a difference between 2D and 3D. Last time we talked about shapes. Now we are talking about forms. Okay, 2D and 3D form. 2D are the shapes and 3D are the forms. Okay, let me see. Hello everyone.
Hello. Teacher, say something. Teacher,
Walaikum
say
salam.
something.
Walaikum salam everyone. How are you
Teacher,
all?
I draw a heart. Teacher.
Walaikum salam everyone. Welcome to my class. Why are you guys late? I was waiting for you 13 minutes. I was waiting for you since 13 minutes. Fine, it's fine. Now, how are you all? Good?
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam, Amar. Still enthusiastic. Very nice. Everyone, today is
Teacher,
our
see.
class.
I draw a horse. Teacher, see, I draw a horse.
Wow, a little bit higher, Manahil. Put the horse a little bit up. Yes. Hold it still. Now. Yes, now it's still. Still. Wow, very nice, Manahil.
Assalamualaikum, teacher. Teacher,
Walaikum
मेरा
salam.
काम हो गया.
Very nice. Very nice, everyone. Manahil, good job. Good job. Zoya, very nice. Wow, Javeria. What a pretty box. Is this openable? Did you make it from reusable?
This is jewelry box.
Wow.
क्या बनाया?
Oh my god, what a jewelry box. Can you take a photo of the jewelry box?
Yes. And monkey भी बनाया है.
Wow, what a nice fish and monkey. But why did you draw it? Did you draw it with your hands? Hand-shaped drawing? Yes?
Teacher, look, I drew an extra drawing. Teacher, मेरा देखें.
Nice, very nice. Everyone, do not draw extra. Only one homework, one classwork. No extra drawing on arts copy. You know. Very nice, Muhammad Ahmed. But the earth size is small. You have to draw the big earth. But still, it's a very nice drawing. Javeer Salman, nice. Good. Very nice. I have seen yours as well. Very nice.
Miss, this is my coronavirus drawing.
Aisha Kamran, your video is not open. Open your camera.
Amma, did you see it?
No, Aisha Kamran, your camera is off. I cannot see it. Hello, Tasbia. Okay, everyone, I am taking your attendance. Okay. First of all, every one of you, you know what is public transport?
Miss, your voice is slow.
Because everyone has
Miss, I draw.
Everyone, I'm gonna mute you all because you all of you speak together. You know this is not the way to talk in class. You have to wait one by one. Now I'm gonna mute you. If you have any question, raise your hand. Oh wow, Aisha Amir. Wow, what a beautiful. I'm gonna unmute you. So you are the first one to talk. What is this, Aisha Amir?
Miss, this is a stool. Stools,
Wow.
4 stools and 1 table.
Wow, very nice. Aisha, did
And
you introduce yourself?
and miss 3 desks.
Wow, what a 3D bag. So cute.
Miss
Did you make
मिस
it
नहीं
yourself?
पप्पू ने और मेरी कजन ने मिलके बनाया.
Wow, very nice. It's your idea, right?
Yes.
Very nice, Aisha. Very nice. Good job.
मिस
impressed.
मैंने ये माचिस की डिब्बों से बनाया.
Wow,
And papers.
very nice. That's a great job. You have recycled and available items.
And this
Nice.
tissue paper and दवाइयों के डिब्बे और पेपर से.
Medicine box. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Good job, Aisha. Well done.
And
Excellent. Now, who's going to explain me next? Okay, Mohammed Ahmed is the next one. Mohammed Ahmed, unmute your mic and explain me what is this in your hand. Yes, Mohammed Ahmed. Tell me what it is.
That's how you.
Is
This
it
is
Santa?
doll.
Is it the Santa?
This is paper doll.
Paper doll. Wow, what a creative idea. You have made a doll. Do you like doll? Do you like doll? Ahmed, do you like doll? Ahmed, you are not hearing my voice, I think. Okay, let's move on to the next. Tasbia. Yes, Tasbia. What did you make, Tasbia?
Teacher, butterfly, hand butterfly.
Wow, you draw it in your art copy, right?
Yes.
Very nice, very nice. I like the wings. The wing style is very nice, very cute. Good job.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Who's next? Who is next? Okay, Aisha Kamran is next. Yes, Aisha. Now I can see your video.
Can you skating, miss?
Very
Acrylic paints.
Wow, very nice, Aisha.
I use cookie cutter.
Oh, that's a very innovative idea. Very good. Very good. Everyone, I would like you to make different kinds of things available in your home. That's the thing of creativity.
Copy.
Okay? Very good, Aisha. Next, who is Muhammad Ali? Yes. I'm about to start my class today in 1 minute, okay? So you have 1 minute to show it to me. Muhammad Ali, unmute your mic. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
I melted a whole candle yesterday.
All right. And what did you do with the melted candle?
I saved a lot of candle wax. Some of the candle wax fell on the ground, but I had a lot of candle wax on the shopper I used.
Okay. And what do you think of making it?
I didn't think of anything to make it too.
Then why did you melt it? Is there any reason behind it?
No, just for fun.
All right. But try to be very safe when you are melting a hot wax, okay? Because it will be dangerous.
Yes.
Good.
Only
You can make-
8 years. I am only 8 years old, and my mother actually allowed me to use matches all by myself.
Oh, that's right. Because she trusts you and she knows that you will handle it very carefully. That's right?
Yes.
Good. Now, everyone, let's Manahil. Okay, Manahil, let me start the class. This is the last question, everyone. I'm taking and then I'm going to start the class. Today, our topic is public transport. Every one of you think of public transport. What is public transport? Yes, Manahil. I saw your heart.
I holding. I told how I
good, Manail. I like the enthusiasm. You try to speak in English. Every one of you, I would like you all to speak in English with me. It will be very grateful. If you cannot speak, try to think of a single word one by one. Okay, no need to be say in a hurry. Nice, Manahil. Good job. Now, everyone, let's move on to our first topic, which is public transport. Last time we discussed about shapes, right? And then we comes into the shapes of our hand. You see, there are a lot of shapes. First, you need to see every object into a shape. Just like you have drawn with your hands, right? You draw with your hands a simple basic shapes. Then you convert, you draw more details into it and make it into an object, right? That's the way you do it, right? You draw with the help of your hands the first basic shape of a drawing. For example, if someone is drawing a butterfly, they draw the first basic outline of the butterfly. Okay, that is called shape. Now once the shape is drawn, you put details on it. Details means eyes, wings, and then the lines and its body parts, detailing, coloring. These are the details that define what the object is. Okay, now I want, today our topic is public transport. Everyone, you know, you have to make a page for today class, and our topic of today class is public transport. So draw the line on the top of your page, write down date on the left side as usual. Okay, write down the heading, and then one by one I'm gonna ask you what is the public transport. Who knows what is the meaning of a public transport? And then we'll draw 6 types of public transport with the shapes. I will ask you shapes about it. What shape is the public transport you see? 6 different types of public transport. Ready, everyone? Now you have to make a box of a rectangle. I'm using red color, but it's up to me, but you can choose black color because that's the color we use. Okay, now I'm going to divide my box into a 6 shape, 6 sizes, sorry, 6 boxes. I'm going to divide my box into a 6. You equally divide it. Equally divide your box. Choose your page in a horizontal direction because that will give you a bigger size. Okay. Choose your page in a horizontal, which is called landscape also. You all know when we draw in the big size, that means you have to lay down your page and draw it in a horizontal direction. Everyone, ready? Now on the top of 3 boxes, we are going to draw the simple shape. The simple shape of the public transport, and on the down 3 boxes, we are going to draw the public transport. The actual object, the actual image of the transport. Number 1. You have seen so many public transport, right? Right? Who travels in public transport? Raise your hand and tell me who travels in public transport. Who travel in public transport? What is public transport? Anybody knows? Anybody know public transport? Anybody? Ali Ahmed. What is public transport? Just say yes or no. If you know it, just say yes. If you don't know it, say no.
I we bus.
Very good. Now, but tell me, what is public transport? Can you tell me just a small sentence about it? A little sentence about it. No, no need to worry. Everyone, the public transport is an object that carry a lot of people and from one place to another. Transport means traveling from one place to another place, right? Traveling means from one place to another place. And what is mean by public? Public means that it is not owned, it is not a private, it is not owned by a single person, it is for everyone available on the streets, right? If you want to travel from one place to another, you have your car, you travel from that car. Now it is not available for everyone, so it's not a public, it's a private transport. Now as for the streets, you can see there are a lot of vehicles that take a lot of people inside it and let them travel from one place to another place. For example, who's going to give me example? What is the public transport now? Zoya. Yes, Zoya. Give me one name of public transport.
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है.
Slow are you? Okay, I'm gonna speak a little bit louder. Now you can hear my voice?
No.
No? Who has an issue? I'm speaking very loud.
मिस आप कह रहे हैं. मिस अभी भी स्लो है मगर कभी स्लो हो रही है कभी तेज.
Oh, kabhi slowly, kabhi tez. Okay, I'm gonna speak a little bit louder now. I hope it.
ये आवाज क्लियर हो गई.
Okay, clear. Okay, I'm sticking my. Okay, thank you, Zoya. Zoya, can you give me one example of a public transport you travel?
मिस रिक्शा.
Very good, very good. Everyone, the first example we have is a rickshaw. Rickshaw is a transport which take a lot of people inside it and let you travel. It is not owned by a single person. It is for everyone. It is for public. Public means for every one of you. Every one of you can travel on it. Okay. So the first shape we are going to make is for rickshaw. And it is also called auto. I'm writing both words. Okay, you can draw a basic shape of a rickshaw on the top and then you have to draw the whole rickshaw down. Now the second transport. Yes, Javeria Fatma. Give me for second example of the public transport.
Bike.
But girls don't sit on a bike, you know. If I want to travel from one place to another, can I sit on a bike on someone else? Can you sit on someone else's bike? You don't know a person and you sit on his bike, can you? No, right? So bike is a very limited. Think of something more that every person can sit on it without hesitation. Can you think of one thing? There are a lot of public transport we see nowadays on the road. Let me share you a picture also. Okay, Muhammad Ali has an answer. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
Teacher, a bus.
Bus. Very good. Very good. Muhammad Ali. Bus. You know, bus can take everyone. Majority the bus was overloaded. People are flowing out of the bus. So bus is a very convenient public transport. It can take a lot of people. So the second I'm gonna write is bus. Now the third one, everyone, try to think of a public transport that can carry around. The third thing, it is very common also. Think of something. Yes, Tasbia. Tasbia, unmute your mic. Yes. The third. Give me the third example. Tasbia, public transport.
Bicycle. Bike.
Bike. Would you like to sit on someone else's bike you don't know? A girl cannot sit on someone else's bike if you don't know, right? So think of
Yes.
something that is more common. More common, everyone can sit on it. With the family or
Just
with
car.
car. But car might be a private name. Think of car in a public transport. How can we use car as a public transport? Can you name that thing? Can you name that thing? Yes, Aisha. Aisha Ahmed.
It's a taxi.
Very good. Excellent, Aisha. Everyone, the third we are using as a public transport is taxi. You know, now we call it a taxi as a car. Car is used as a taxi for public. As a car, you know, that's my car, your car. It's a private called name. Car. Car is a private name. Taxi is the name for the public transport. Okay. Whenever we want to travel in the car, in a public car, it's called taxi. You know, taxi, ruko hame jana hai. Rickshaw, ruko hame jana hai. That's called taxi and bus and rickshaw. These three are the basic public transport we use it. Nowadays, taxi is also in Uber. Taxi is also in called Careem. Taxi is also called in hiring cars, just like that. So these three are the basic shape, everyone. We are going to draw the basic shape. Now I'm going to ask those persons who didn't tell me their name. Now let me tell you, you have to give me the first basic shape of these three. Auto rickshaw. What is the basic shape of auto rickshaw? Who's going to tell me? What is the basic shape of rickshaw? Okay, let me see who raised their hand. Yes, Aisha Kamran. I'm gonna give the chance who didn't speak till now. Yes, Aisha. Muhammad Ahmed, think of something. Harim, Ali Ahmed, Ammar.
Square, miss.
Square. Is this the correct answer? Who's going to tell me? Ali Ahmed is going to tell me. Is this the correct answer?
Yes.
Very good. Ali Ahmed is paying attention now. Very nice, Ali Ahmed. Yes. A rickshaw is the basic shape of a square. Everyone, square. Square. Now, I've drawn the square for you, but you have to draw rickshaw in the down box. The basic shape of the rickshaw is square. Now you draw the details on these square box inside this small box. Okay, the second box is for the big drawing. Now the next shape. What is the next shape? What is the shape of bus? What is the basic shape of a box? Who's going to tell me? Harim, Javeria, Ammar. Okay, Javeria Javed. Yes, Javeria Javed. Hello, Javeria. Now tell me what is the basic. Unmute your mic first, Javeria.
Rectangle.
Very good. Rectangle, everyone. We are going to draw the basic shape first. And this is the rectangle for the bus. Good job, Javeria. Everyone, you draw the bus down below with the details. I want details also, the bus details. Khizar, open your camera. Yes, the last but not the least, taxi. Javeria Fatma, what is the shape of a taxi? What is the basic shape of a taxi? What is the basic shape of a taxi? Everyone, I have 5 minutes remaining. So hurry up. Harim, would you like to give me the answer? I want everyone to participate. Javeria, sit properly. Yes, Harim. What is the basic shape of a taxi?
Sir, rectangle.
Really? Is this a rectangle? Who's going to confirm?
Taxi.
Taxi is in rectangle in shape. Let me confirm it with Khizar. Yes, Khizar. Is the taxi really in shape of a rectangle?
Teacher, I can hear you.
Rectangle, yes or no? Or any other shape?
Teacher, yes, rectangle.
Very good, Khizar. Nice. You are paying attention. Very good. Everyone, it's a rectangle. A smaller rectangle, but indeed it is in rectangle. Rectangle. Great job, everyone. Now you draw the rickshaw, bus, and taxi over here. But let me share you a picture of it. You done drawing, everyone? Mohammad Ahmed, you have something to say? Yes, Mohammad Ahmed.
Aeroplane.
Aeroplanes. Can everyone sit on aeroplane?
Aeroplane.
Yes, yes. Aeroplane is also a public transport, but it is not usually affordable to all. So right now we are using a simple public transport that we use daily, or at least available on daily life. Okay, Mohammad Ahmed? Train and aeroplane is also a public transport, but they are very rare. Coaches, they are used for traveling from very far away places. We don't use daily in daily life. Okay, so we are using a public transport which we use or which we see daily in our lives. At least once a day we travel on it. Oh, people have a lot of questions. Now I'm going to give you a chat option. You can write questions on it. I will answer one by one, but do not talk to each other. Just write down the questions on it, okay? I'm going to allow the chat only to write down the questions you have. And here I'm going to explain you a 2D and 3D object.
Children, you have learnt about plane and solid shapes in class 2. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape.
इधर देखो आपको दिखा रही मुझे नहीं पढ़ा रही
Square has 4 sides. All the sides of a square are equal. Square has 4 vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has 4 vertices. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have 3 measurements.
Everyone, right now the time is up, so I cannot explain you how to draw these shapes. I'm going to allow you to mute yourself, but I would, the first question of the video was how to draw it. Now is the very basic thing. You have to draw cube. Cube is the shape of a square. The form of a square. Sorry, the form of the square is cube. But we'll study it. I will share you a video how to draw